Are you using affiliate marketing to your advantage? Get tips and tricks here. Affiliate marketing encompasses a lot of things. It covers items such as products, services, etc. There are so many ways that someone can promote their business or network and have good affiliates promote their business further. This video has advice that can help you find what you need to start creating a marketing plan. Starting out with foundation links from trusted sites is the best way to go when you're just getting started. Seeking links from authority sites within your market is better than having unrelated links for the purposes of traffic and name recognition. Although there are shortcuts you can take, never tempt the integrity of your site by going the easy route. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, be sure to test products before you advertise them. If you are displeased with the product, it is likely that your customers or subscribers will be as well. Advertising an unsatisfactory product will decrease your credibility and trustworthiness, while advertising a quality product will do the opposite. If you are attempting to market multiple products after the success of your first campaign in affiliate marketing, you should try to keep the product in relatively the same market. You already know how to promote a product within this market. So remember this analogy: don't go from fixing cars to fixing airplanes. Proper affiliate marketing is going to take a lot of research on your part, but that doesn't mean it has to be tedious. Thanks to viral video sites like YouTube and Dailymotion, just to name a couple, you can now check out entertaining tutorials that are not only entertaining but are also 2-for-1 opportunities, as they tell you how to do something and show you. Add content that your readers want along with your affiliate links. If you provide reasons for your audience to click on your links, you will find much better success. If you just type a list of baby items you like with links, you'll receive much less response than if you type reviews and why you love these items. If you want to make the most money from your affiliate marketing program, you should make sure that the contract you sign with one company does not restrict you from working with other companies' affiliate marketing programs as well. If you take the time to build a site that draws traffic, you should be allowed to maximize the revenue from the page. Is it worth starting an affiliate website when it requires lots of time, money, patience and hard work? Consider affiliate marketing as your ticket to get away from your current pointless, low-paying job. A well-designed, professionally operated and managed affiliate website can generate enough income to provide financial freedom to the owner. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a very broad subject that covers a lot of products, services, programs, and techniques. There are some right ways and wrong ways, but there is much room for customization. Hopefully, this video gave you some advice on how to make affiliate marketing work for you. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.